Hello students, as most of you are facing issue in uploading the essays, I will tell you how to upload it on the Young Hearts website. First of all, go to Play Store and search for Adobe Scan. I will tell you how. And download this application. Please wait until it completes. Wait for the installation. Open the app. Once it is loaded, choose the appropriate ID from which you want to load it. I am choosing the Facebook. Accept the terms and condition and continue. Press to let's go. Allow everything. So once you are here, then you will have to scan all of your documents which you have written. First will be the participant page, and other two will be essay pages. There must be 3 pages in total. I will tell you how to do it. Capture the photograph and press on continue. This will be your first page. Again go to the second page. I haven't written any essay, I am just taking the dummy pages. Again click on your second page and press on continue, and then on third page capture it and then continue. In the right hand side you will be seeing that 3 of your documents has been captured. Click on that page. Here you can see all of them. You can rotate it and convert it to readable format pages and then save it to PDF. On the top right side you will be seeing an option of save PDF. Click on that. Once this is done, open your Adobe file, click on more and copy it to device. Choose the first option. Then it will ask you the place where you want to download it. You can also rename your file here. I am saving it by my name and then save it. It is now saved into downloaded folder. File, once you have downloaded it in PDF format, just go to the heartfulness.org website. I will give the link in description. You need to choose the student submit your essay option. Here it is. Once you are here, put the participant name. Suppose I am putting my name here, mother's name or father's name, unique ID which has been provided to you by your school or colleges. Then you need to choose your class. It can be 9th or 10th according to you. Then you have to choose your gender. Fill up your age here. Category must have been defined to you from the college. The essay which you are writing is being divided into 2 categories. It can be known from your school or college itself. I am putting category 1 here. Then the language in which you have written the essay, I am choosing English. You can either choose Hindi or English or any of the language in which you have written the essay. Put up your phone number and email ID. Then you need to choose the essay here on the upload essay format. Choose file here. Go to downloads, and here it is, Jatin essay.pdf. You remember I have saved it by this name. Choose it. Now you can see Jatin_essay.pdf is loaded here. You need to put the captcha here 6209. Confirm both the thing, and then you have to submit your essay.